I will never look at my dinner the same way again after learning this. Have you ever wondered why sometimes, after enjoying a meal, your stomach decides to throw a tantrum? It's like your digestive system has a mind of its own, right? Well, let's dive deep into the fascinating world of our stomachs and uncover the mysteries behind those unexpected upsets. Let's uncover why your stomach throws a fit sometimes. Our stomachs are complex organs, and they play a crucial role in our overall well-being. When things go wrong, it can be quite uncomfortable and even distressing. But understanding the reasons behind these upsets can help us manage and prevent them. Alright, so picture this. You just enjoyed a delicious meal, but suddenly, your stomach's acting like it's auditioning for a soap opera. It's cramping, bloating, and making all sorts of noises. What could be the cause? There are several factors that can contribute to an upset stomach, and it's not always easy to pinpoint the exact reason. Why? Well, most of the time, it's your gut bacteria reacting to something it didn't quite agree with. Our gut is home to trillions of bacteria, collectively known as the gut microbiome. These bacteria play a vital role in digestion, immune function, and even mood regulation. When the balance of these bacteria is disrupted, it can lead to digestive issues. It could be that spicy taco, too much dairy, or even eating too fast. Certain foods can be more challenging for our stomachs to digest, especially if we consume them in large quantities or too quickly. Spicy foods, for example, can irritate the lining of the stomach, leading to discomfort. Dairy products can be problematic for those who are lactose intolerant, as their bodies lack the enzyme needed to break down lactose. Stress and anxiety can also stir the pot. Literally, our emotional state has a significant impact on our digestive system. When we're stressed or anxious, our bodies release stress hormones like cortisol, which can affect the way our stomach functions. This can lead to symptoms like nausea, bloating, and stomach pain. When you're stressed, your brain sends signals to your gut, and boom, drama ensues. This connection between the brain and the gut is known as the gut-brain axis. It's a complex communication network that allows our brain and gut to influence each other. When we're stressed, our brain sends signals to our gut, which can disrupt digestion and cause discomfort. So next time, chew slowly, relax, and give your gut some TLC. Taking the time to eat mindfully can make a big difference in how our stomachs feel. Chewing slowly and thoroughly helps break down food, making it easier for our stomachs to digest. Relaxing before and after meals can also help reduce stress and promote better digestion. Your stomach will thank you. By understanding the factors that contribute to an upset stomach and making small changes to our eating habits and lifestyle, we can help keep our digestive system happy and healthy. So, the next time you sit down for a meal, remember to take it slow, relax, and enjoy every bite. Your stomach will be grateful, and you'll feel much better for it. Hydration is also key to a happy stomach. Drinking plenty of water throughout the day helps keep things moving smoothly in your digestive tract. It can also help prevent constipation, which is a common cause of stomach discomfort. Eating a balanced diet rich in fiber, lean proteins, and healthy fats can also support good digestion. Regular physical activity can also benefit your digestive health. Exercise helps stimulate the muscles in your digestive tract, promoting regular bowel movements and reducing the risk of constipation. Activities like walking, yoga, and meditation can also help reduce stress, which in turn can improve your digestion. If you frequently experience stomach upsets, it might be worth looking into your diet and lifestyle habits. Keeping a food diary can help you identify any patterns or triggers that might be causing your symptoms. Consulting with a healthcare professional, such as a dietitian or gastroenterologist, can also provide valuable insights and personalized recommendations. Remember, your stomach is an essential part of your overall health and well-being. Taking care of it means taking care of yourself. So, make time for healthy meals, stay hydrated, manage stress, and stay active. Your stomach will thank you, and you'll enjoy a happier, healthier life. In conclusion, an upset stomach can be caused by a variety of factors, including diet, stress, and lifestyle habits. By understanding these factors and making mindful choices, we can help prevent and manage stomach discomfort. So, the next time your stomach starts acting up, Take a moment to reflect on what might be causing it and make the necessary adjustments. Your stomach will appreciate the effort, and you'll feel much better for it. Thank you for joining us on this journey to understand why we get upset stomachs. We hope you found this information helpful and that it inspires you to take better care of your digestive health. Remember, a happy stomach leads to a happier you. Take care, and until next time, stay healthy and mindful of your gut.